Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be a super quick tip regarding anyone who suffers from asthma, including myself, and also anyone that suffers from epilepsy as well. This one essential oil I would advise you to not use. I know I've discussed the properties of essential oils multiple videos before and their great benefits, but if you suffer from asthma, if you suffer from epilepsy, this essential oil is going to be counterproductive. The essential oil that we're talking about here is rosemary essential oil, because rosemary essential oil, when it comes to people who are suffering from epileptic seizures, what it does is it has the potential to increase the frequency of these seizures. So please, if you have epilepsy, if you're vulnerable to seizures, avoid rosemary essential oil. Don't worry, you can still use the power essential oils, and that is basically by directing your focus to specific calming oils that will do great well in soothing your system. Oils such as sandalwood, oils such as orange are great for people dealing with epilepsy. And for people who suffer from asthma, it's really important to make sure that you be very careful when you kind of apply essential oils when it comes to the inhalation method, because people who have asthma, their breathing system is very sensitive, and they need to best avoid using the inhalation method, and also instead of the inhalation method of essential oils, focus more on much more soothing, gentle ways to apply essential oils, like in the bath, in the vapor system, or even as a massage oil as well. Now please make sure to be responsible with your use of essential oil, because they are extremely concentrated, they do have active compounds, and make sure you dilute them directly. If you are after more videos, tips and tricks on using essential oils, including my own personal experience with essential oils, please check the playlist in the description box below this video. It's going to talk to you about the essential oils and what you need to know to get started. Take care and have a great day. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you subscribe and support the channel. We'd love to have you on board. See you in the next video.